What's up, YouTube? Quick video here. Just a quick look at this number and letter stamping set. It's 36 pieces. You get 0 through 9, A through Z, and the and symbol. There are different sizes. This is the 1/8 inch or 3 millimeter set. Comes in a little box, and then it comes in its own plastic box. And there you go. Chrome vanadium, steel, 3 millimeters, 1/8 inch. And we'll just pull one out here. That's how big they are. You can just get a piece of steel or a bench vise or something and a nice heavy hammer and stamp out your metal. One thing I like to use it for is stamping key heads so that I can name my keys and I don't need any plastic key heads or anything. I can just stamp letters into them and I know what they are then. You know, it's not very straight because I just do it pretty fast and haphazardly, so you can get it as straight as you want, but there's a shot of what the letters look like. Hope that helps. I'll put the links down below. I think it's a really nice compact set. I've used it a bunch over the years and I love it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and thanks. See ya.